Hello and welcome back to my channel and to a new video. I hope you're well, having a lovely day. Today is Monday and I've done a couple of hours work this morning and I just thought, basically it's the day after Mother's Day. I was away pretty much all week, well not away, busy, busy and out of the house pretty much all weekend. Phoebe had a dance festival Saturday evening. And then Sunday morning she had a Tap Associates that she goes to, which is in Leicester, and then we drove all the way down back to Banbury where her festival was and spent the rest of the day there. So we left 8:45 yesterday morning, I think, got back about 9:30 last night. So it was a very long day Sunday and a busy day Saturday as well. So nothing got done in this house. So Andrew did, gosh it's very bright, Andrew did do some stuff to the garden this weekend, so he's been busy doing that. He also changed our bedding and did a few things for me yesterday, but generally we got home last night, just dumped Phoebe's stuff and she went straight to bed. So her room is a state and she really just doesn't have a lot of time to clean it and tidy it. She is so busy with her dancing a lot of the time and she's so rarely here that I always feel bad, like when she's here, basically when she is at home she has to do her flute practice, she has to do her homework. And then if I then ask her to tidy her room and put all her stuff away, she has no downtime at all really. So especially at the moment because weekends are super busy as well. So I'm going to sort that. So I just thought I would do 1 hour. So I haven't got really any more time than that because I've got some more work to do and I need to walk the dog. And I've got some parcels to take to the shop, so I've got 1 hour. So I'm going to try and blitz up here. We're upstairs. So I recently did a video of sort of deep cleaning our kitchen, my office, hallway, downstairs. That's all fine. I've given that a little bit of a once over and tidy up this morning, but up here has been a bit neglected really over the last few days. I just need to sort. So that's what I'm going to do now. I've got 1 hour. So I'm literally going to set a timer on my phone and get as much as I can done in that hour. Hopefully I'll do it all. We shall see. I shall show you what it looks like first and then hopefully there'll be a big reveal and it'll all look wonderful afterwards. So I know everyone likes real life. This is my bedroom right now. So these sheets and everything are all clean and well, we slept in them last night, but other than that, I haven't bothered to make the bed yet this morning. This is all clean washing that needs sorting. I've got, oh, this is obviously from cleaning my bathrooms. I've got Andrew's bits and pieces here. My dressing table is a mess. The ensuite needs a clean. There's sort of socks and bits on the floor down here. So yeah, our bedroom looks a bit like this. Then coming out into the hallway. Hello, Bee. Dog's asleep, always in the way. Out into the hallway, so I'll just bring up my tripod so I can film. Hoover's there, I brought that up too. So this is the entrance into Phoebe's bedroom. This is all the stuff we took with us yesterday. So that's just all been literally dumped and stuff was brought out this morning because we need to do her hair. She got slippers that were downstairs in my office that I've brought up, her pyjamas, her hoodie, bits and pieces, rubbish. Trying not to break my neck as I come in here. We've got tap shoes on the floor, another hoodie, clothes that need putting away, her bed needs to be made. So yeah, just a few bits on here. I mean, actually, it's just stuff putting away and then we need to hoover in here. I did give this place a really good clean and tidy and we decluttered. She and I got rid of loads of her stuff a couple of weeks ago. So yeah, that just needs doing. I've got a wash on as we speak. These towels need hanging up. That bathroom needs cleaning. Archie's room is probably fine. He's quite good. His bed is made-ish. Yeah, his room is fine. I'm going to need to pull his blind up. But yeah, other than that, his is not too bad. So I'm not going to worry too much about that. He's quite good, does that himself. So yeah, it's just our room really. And Phoebe's and the 2 bathrooms. So I'm going to set myself a timer and I'm just going to get cracking and hopefully it will look all nice and spick and span in 1 hour's time. I'll speak to you then.
you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, oh you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
And my hour is up. Didn't quite manage to do everything. I have put a load of limescale remover in our shower because it's really bad, and I'm just going to leave it there. Oh my goodness, my hair, look. I'm going to leave it there for an hour or so to do its job. See my reflection in the mirror. To do its job, and then I'm going to give that a scrub later, and because of that I haven't cleaned the floor in the ensuite either, but I've done the toilet, the basin, the shelf and everything. I've done everything in here and Phoebe's bedroom and the hallway, so it looks so much better and I'm very pleased. Amazing how much you can do in an hour. I reckon that if I'd not set myself a timer, I think it probably would have taken me a lot longer. I've also been wearing my MyZone Switch, which I track my effort, my exercise and effort in, and that day, the last cleaning video I did where I cleaned the kitchen, it took me about 3 hours and I had 160 odd effort points, which, comparing in a 25-minute run that I'm doing Couch to 5K at the moment, I do about 130 to 140. So although, you know, it was 3 hours compared to half an hour's run, it's still, you know, 3 hours of cleaning is a lot of effort. So so yeah, it's quite good. So hopefully I've earned myself a few more points today as well. So yeah, let's show you what it looks like before I say goodbye. So here is our bedroom. All the clothes have gone. I've polished both side tables and all the shelves up here. I've hoovered everywhere. Dressing table is looking all clean, and I've polished all of that. As I say, I've just got the new bath mat to go down, and I've left the cleaning things in here so I can do the shower, because it is disgusting and needs a really good going at. So I should do that, and then I'll clean the floor, but I will do that this afternoon. Then out here is all hoovered. Bungo's on guard. He thought he heard someone at the door just now. There was nobody there. This bathroom is completely done. I haven't polished this glass, but can't be bothered. That's enough for today, so that's all done. And then Phoebe's better. This is all clear. Woohoo! This is a what do you call it? A tie of a dressing gown, and it stays on the floor because Archie's bedroom. Archie keeps his windows wide open all year round, and so when he has his door shut, it rattles. So he wedges that in the door to stop it rattling. So that's why I've left that there. So we're all hoovered in here. Clothes are all away. Dance bag is all ready for dance. Her sides are all clear and polished. This room is all being changed. This bed is being got rid of and everything in the next few months, and these will be going as well. And she's getting a new wardrobe, which will have more space in it. So this is going to have to do for now. This is all her dance kit in here. So yeah, her room is looking much better. You can actually walk around, and that's it. So Bungo, I think we can say that's a job well done. And I think somebody needs to go for a walk soon. You want to go for walkies? Yes you do. Yes you do. Right, so I think that's my cue to take the dog for a walk. I'm hungry though, so I might have to have a snack before we go. So I hope you enjoyed this speedy cleaning video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're not already, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.